Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. So, the touch areas located at the right ear cup, right here, and I will tell it to you what I'm doing. I should put it on my head. So, if I press 2 times on my right touch areas, I will play or pause a song. So, 1, 2, and I play a song, I pause a song, and 1, 2, and I play a song. To increase the volume, just slide up, so right here. Yeah, and you just slide up, and you increase the volume. To lower it, just slide down, and you lower the volume. Now, to play next track, just slide to the right. And to play previous track, slide to the left. Also, right here at the right ear cup, we have this microphone button. So, if you speak with someone by press 1 time on it, you can mute or unmute the microphone. And if you do not speak with someone, you can just press on it and you will enable voice assistant. As you can see, I have iOS, so I call it Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. Also, right here we have a button to change modes, so let me show it to you. Of course, there is some connectional trouble with the headphones. Here we go. Now, right here we have ambient control, and now I will press on this button and I will tell you what it's doing. So I enable it, and now I'm on ANC, and if I press 1 time, I will disable these modes, and if I press 1 more, I will swap to awareness mode, and if I press 1 more, I will swap to ANC. Here we go. And also we have a power button to turn on, turn off your headset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.